The Nayakas of Surapura. Surapura in Yadagiri district is situated in between the rivers Krishna and Bhima. From 1637 to 1858 Common Era, 12 Nayakas ruled it. Gaddipidda Nayaka was the founder of this dynasty. His ancestors were in the Vijayanagara army. After getting the official permission from Vijayanagara Adil Shahis, they started to rule from Vajanagiri. Pitambari Bahripidda Nayaka made Surapura as his capital after constructing it. Later, in accordance with the agreement of the British and the Hyderabad Nizam, Surapura came under the control of Hyderabad. Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka, the son of Raja Krishnappa Nayaka, came to power. The news of the First War of Independence in India reached Surapura. Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka had a plan to fight against the British. He enlisted Arabs and Rohillas in his army. He also started to train the army. British officer Thornhill wrote a letter to Captain Campbell on 24th December 1857 and directed him to take immediate action against Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka. The British regiment entered Surapura in 1858 and battle started. The enraged army of Surapura broke the bones of Stuart. Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka travelled to Hyderabad to bring the special forces of Arab and Rohillas. The British forces entered Surapura and destroyed it. The Prime Minister of Hyderabad Nizam, Salar Jung, handed over Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka on intention of getting a favour. British kept Nalvadi Venkatappa in a prison at Sikandrabad. Later, he was subjected to enquiry and was awarded death sentence. On the plea made by British officer Meadows Taylor, the Governor General of India dropped the death sentence, condemned him for 4 years' deportation. He was taken to a fort in Changalpet near Madras, and British betrayed and shot the resting Venkatappa dead. Later, they spread the false news that he committed suicide. After Britishers gifted Surapura to the Nizam of Hyderabad, the successor of Surapura province spent their time under the Nizam. Contributions of Surapura Nayakas. The Surapura Nayakas have contributed to the field of culture. They were built tanks, temples, wells, forts, and palaces. Many jagirs were given. They had provided Inam land to sustain the worship of their patron god Venkataramana at Tirupati and Gopal Swami. The Surapura rulers always accorded prominent place to paintings. The design and techniques are high quality. The paintings stands unique from Vijayanagara, Vijayapura and Mysuru paintings. These paintings we can see in the museums of London, Hyderabad's Salar Jung Museum. Finally, when the province of Nizam of Hyderabad merged with the Indian Union on September 17, 1948, Surapura also merged with India. Thank you.